There has to be a way to learn Braille in an engaging and interactive way. There has to be another method than just rote memorization of different tactile patterns. Tony, what if I told you there was a device that used visual, auditory, and sensory learning to teach Braille in an effective way? That a person no longer had to memorize tactile patterns, but could engage in Braille like never before. How would it be possible? How can such a device exist? It can, through 7-segment displays, LEDs, speakers, solenoids, and a whole lot of jumper wires. What is the name of this device? Let me introduce you to the eyeLearn initiative.
Hey, I heard about this. This is where you can learn to read Braille. Yeah. Alright, David, you want to give the spiel?
Yeah. So,
Oh my god. How long were you guys here for last night? Let's not go there.
The 7-segment displays allow the user to read the English text corresponding to the Braille text. We connected 14 7-segment displays together using daisy-chained shift registers so that each character moved from each display would go to the following display. Along with this, we had speakers which allowed the user to associate auditory cues with each Braille character, enhancing the learning for users who learn best through auditory means. We used Arduino to program these speakers to play a different frequency.
The next component of our project is the LEDs. The LEDs allow the user to visually remember the Braille and associate it with the tactile Braille. We linked 14 sets of 6 LEDs, with each set corresponding to one visual Braille character, using daisy-chain shift registers, so that each character moved from one display to the next. We were able to display text in Braille using our displays with our code. Our Arduino program transformed inputted strings of text into different binary numbers and transmitted them to each different component of the device.
The solenoids play perhaps the most important role in our project. Whereas the other components of the project help the reader understand the Braille in translation, the solenoids actually allow the user to actually learn Braille by touching the shifting Braille character. To build the solenoids, we build 6 separate solenoid circuits for each solenoid using a transistor and a diode, connected in parallel to the solenoid as well as 2 resistors. Then, we program the solenoids to display Braille characters corresponding to the inputted text by connecting them all together using a shift register.
this will be a big fun.